This tutorial will show you how to light a chroma key backdrop using Veescope Live. The backdrop plays a critical role in producing a good chroma key. Consider these two shots. One has a cleanly lit backdrop, and the other is poorly lit and contains wrinkles. The well-lit backdrop will produce a far cleaner key than the one with the wrinkles. A few minutes of extra time lighting the backdrop correctly can save hours, days, or weeks of post-production time. The tools you will need for this tutorial are a video camera with a manual iris control and white balance setting. It will need to be able to connect to your Macintosh computer via FireWire. A chroma key backdrop that contains the correct color of green or blue and a background stand. Diffused lighting will be needed to light the backdrop. A low-cost solution is to use 6 or more silver reflector work lights with heat-resistant diffusion gels. Large softboxes, fluorescent bank lights, and LED lighting are a more expensive option, but they can produce better results. And finally, a Macintosh computer running Veescope Live. You can download a free trial version of the software at veescope.com. Start by draping the fabric over the backdrop. Clamp the sides of the fabric to pull it tight across the backdrop stand. Use a hand steamer to remove any wrinkles from the fabric. After the backdrop is smooth and even, plug the camera into your laptop via the FireWire cable and start Veescope Live. Look for your camera input in Veescope Live and select it. Adjust the shot so that the backdrop fills the screen. Click on the Scopes tab and select the waveform monitor. You'll see a line that represents the brightness of the backdrop on the waveform monitor. To understand how a waveform monitor works, take a look at this video with the light moving back and forth across the backdrop. When viewing this video with a waveform monitor, the line bulges where the backdrop is brighter and dips down where the backdrop is darker. Adjust your camera's iris control until the backdrop registers between 40 and 60% on the waveform monitor for a green backdrop. If the line isn't very straight, adjust the lighting by making it brighter where the line dips down or darker where the line spikes upward. Adjust the lights to make the line as straight and flat as you possibly can. By spending a little extra time lighting your backdrop correctly, you'll see a dramatic improvement in your final composite shot. To find out more information, visit www.veescope.com.